What's good, YouTube? Today I'm gonna show you guys how I transformed my crashed BMW X5 into a sick overland build. So this car basically started its life as a one-owner car in Tennessee, and the first owner unfortunately got into a front-end collision with it, and I guess the insurance company deemed the car totaled for the little amount of damage it had. And I was lucky enough to pick the car up on Copart. So I bought the car on Copart for $2,900. Buy it now. It cost me $1,000 to get it shipped to Florida. So in total, it cost me about $3,900, a little bit under $4,000 for the car. I don't remember the exact name of the body shop that I worked with, but I remember the car needed a driver's side fender, front bumper, and the hood needed some aluminum repair work that the shop did, as well as paint the fender and the hood. So in total, I think I spent maybe about $1,500. Wait, let me pull out my phone. I have all this shit written down. That's the beauty of it. So yeah, after fixing everything with repairs, the car cost me about $5,500 a year ago. And at the time, I think this was a really good deal because for the same mileage, they were going for about 10, 12K. Nowadays, this is probably a pretty bad deal because I could find one clean title with similar miles for this price. But for a year ago, hey, now I'm gonna just do a compilation of all of the mods that I've done to this car. If you guys want to see every single mod in depth, I have videos on everything on my channel for you guys. So yeah, let's get into the video.
Overbuying cars, I snatched the barbers just for motivation. Shoot out every spot today, tomorrow we get a new location. Free all of the guys, I hope y'all beat the case to get probation. Stashed at my mama's house, 400 bands in the ventilation. Now look how I'm living, I bought a house for the money to stay at. Right when niggas think that I got soft, I'ma pull up and spray it. Living like a dumb, I smoke a blunt in the back of the Maybach. Put up like your mama with this switch, why the fuck would you say that? You can do it first, I'ma do it worse, gotta double the payback. Never take it personal, show no mercy, just taught me that way back. I took it off, I was always talking, I'm saying, hold where you stay at. Keep a stash house, you can't take nothing to the spot where you lay at. Never be a bother if you walk me, no problem, just say that. Never running off, so if I owe you, I got you, I'll pay that. Get this shit my heart, so when I'm old, I can chill and just lay back. Really from the bottom, so the trenches is where I can say that. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. So I finish bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm not here trying to shit. I need equity to sign the deal. I'm just trying to ball and live, 100 mil, I'm calling deals. I'm the boss, pay all the bills. I'm the golden child for real. So I finish bitch, I will. I've been on my grind for years, and I'm not here trying to shit. I need equity to sign the deal. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get the pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get lost. He ain't focused yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket, not promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some more. Still got a pass in the hood, call it give and go. Keep a nigga, man, bitch in a figure four. Let me fuck when I want, I just come and go. Man, these rappers too deep for these skinny clothes. I might put me in some picture, bro. They look great, this nigga start getting low. I spent time on the rest on the Lambo and didn't even know how to meet them motherfuckers go. On my birthday, I just wanna look at those. Got it, but don't play with me, period. You just follow behind in the years. I feel like a tourist. I'm the one from the bottom who sold out my partner, the promise, God, the period. Oh, he ain't know. I fuck with shots and I'm gonna bust. You can't put on that trip, he ain't one of us. How you running the biz in a total truck? How you got everybody lit piping up? Oh, she bad with no swag, I don't type her up. They my last on my last, I know walk her up. Count the money up fast like I'm typing some. I'm the type to get active and never run. Hit the rulers, my niggas ain't scared of none. Ain't no rules, you got rest, you can get it done. On a light day, I keep me 100 bucks. Making hit after he call me very fun. For the Christmas, I bought everybody guns. Plus and choppers and F's for everyone. Take the roof on the call it up for the sun. I'm gonna see it drop by 5,000 months. Got this bitch off the collar, she suck it and swallow. I stick it and she feel it in her gut. We don't run from my problems, we stacking up guala and guala and try get that mega buck. See them drip a little nigga, best watch your step. This top shelf, got 40 designer belt. Don't be up, look like the new BMW. They gon' jump, got clothes in my right and left. So you drunk up the car, ain't no key in them. Just put us when they block and get out of there. They gon' have a hard time finding what to wear. You like a tire, I keep you up on the stuff because I'm warring.
So we got the rear wheels going on right now. And if you're wondering what happened to my old wheels, they're on the E53. So we pretty much did a three-way swap. The E53 21-inch wheels went on that E70, and the E70 wheels went on my X5.
AMH, he's the best. No lie.
Yeah. You my treacherous little twin, and you know that we lock in, and I love you like my kin. It's whatever for you. I go up and down that road, I go anywhere you go. When you tell me life is good, I want better for you. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin. Yeah. Fuck what they say, fuck what they fuck what they fuck what they say. 500 million on the face, feel like KK. And I know the city that we from, not a safe place. But I know you riding with your twin till we fade away. We used to have nothing to our name, still had great days. Always kept me on, umbrella door when the rain came. You tell me you want something, I would tell you same thing. Now when we come through inside this bitch, they gotta make way. Twisting up my fingers for my twin. You was always on go for the drama, dog. I would toe-take somebody for your mama, dog. And they block disappeared, that's some karma, dog. You say you a dog, then roof, nigga, I'm a dog. When I need a friend, you my best friend. When I need a friend, you my only friend. Yeah. You my twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin, you my treacherous little twin, you my twin. When I need a friend. Who can I depend on like you know? What? In the bed, she get wicked with her parents, she be wholesome. I don't show ID in clubs cause they know that I'm 21. Whoa, 21. Who would do the things you do for me? Would you die for me? Would you go at niggas' necks like a tie for me? Do the time for a crime you didn't do for me? Or do a crime at a time when you was loose for me? I wouldn't tell you how I feel when I'm rolling. Oh, I would lay something down for you. I would play a whole time for you. Spray the whole money round for you. Twisting on my fingers with my dog.
Oh, when I rise up, boast. So we give thanks that we need it the most. We have to give thanks that we really supposed to. Thankful. Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings, and just for the plus. Gratitude is a must. Blessings fall by my right hand. But I toast with the friends that take off with me load. One time did sit down in a class and report that when they set the road, I'm going with the road. Third form is a me tired thing, and you know it calmed up to
put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. All this designer on my body got me drip drip. Straight up out the objects, I'm a big trip. If I got up on a lean, I'm a sip sip. I run the racks up with my queen like London and Nip. But I got rich on all these niggas, I didn't forget back. I had to go through the struggle, I didn't forget that. I hopped inside of the Maybach and I would sit back. These bitches know me now, cause I got them big racks. Cause I'm getting money now, I know you heard that. Young nigga on the corner, bitch, I had to serve back. Uncle fronted me some keys, had to get them birds back. We came up on dirty money, I gave it a bird back. Cut off the brain and I gave my bitch a new goose. Either you running y'all gang or you sue woo. Got a New Orleans bitch and man, that pussy voodoo. And I'm that nigga now, voodoo. I put the new 4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the streets. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember hitting them all with the whole team. Now niggas can't answer calls cause I'm balling. I was waking up getting racks in the morning. I was broke, now I'm rich, these niggas salty. I been waking up to get the money, whoa, whoa. Got a bad bitch ass tatted, whoa, whoa. Da Vinci to my toes, 2 twins, I'm fucking them both. I put her in new AP, the water like a boat. I was down bad on my dick, where was you niggas at? I know you turned your back on me just to get some wrecks. I seen you swerve back, cause I'm in the black bag. New diamonds on me, fuck a flash, this ain't Snapchat. Cause I been getting paid. Yellow diamonds on me look like lemonade. Got my baby mama that new vintage. Tryna get a dojo like a sensei. Rolls Royce umbrellas when I'm in the rain. I just mind my business. I got brothers that did the time, I ain't kidding. All these rappers just talk about it, I live. Going up, I ain't got no sky limit, yeah. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans. I remember.
With so much drama in the LBC, it's kinda hard being Snoop D or Double G. But I somehow, some way, keep coming up with funky ass shit like every single day.
Rolling down the street, smoking in now, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
With my mind on my money and my money on my mind. Rolling down the street, smoking, sipping on gin and juice.
Laid back.
4Gs on the G. I trap into the bloody bottoms is underneath. Cause all my niggas got it out the street. I keep 100 racks inside my jeans.